In 2009, I went on a one night safari in Kenya, and the stars literally stopped me in my tracks. I loved seeing all of the animals and hearing the Swahili names really were the same as in the Lion King movie. To be honest, I had expected it to feel like visiting a zoo. But the gem of this trip was really our tour guide, Sam. With his British accent, he had us laughing for days at his stories and the fact that he was cold in his long sleeves with a blanket in 70-degree weather while we were in t shirts and skirts. While visiting my brother in Hawaii, I was so surprised at how many chickens and goats are just wandering around on their own. And it finally started to make sense why there's a chicken in Moana. My mom and I had been going to this beach for at least a decade before we came across a book in one of the shops that had a mailbox on it with the beach in the background. And I am kind of obsessed with mail and like handwritten letters and everything, which is something that my grandmother got me into when I was little. She would send me letters like I was a grown up and tell me all about what her and grandpa were up to and ask me about my day. So when I saw this, we ended up talking to the store clerk about it. And she said, "Yeah, that's a real place. You just have to walk a few miles down the beach." And so we went for the first time that year, and now I go back every single time. It is just so special and magical. They have notebooks in it that you can write in and you can read what other people have written. And it's like this little mystery who changes them out all the time, but then they take them to a museum or something where they have all of the archives of what people have written. So it's a great time to go and reflect on the year. To read the story about the rest of these paintings, you can go to my website, which I will link in the description, but it's meganstarbuckphotography.com/blog/art-gallery-2025. And let me know if you would like more videos like this where I share the story behind my artwork, including some of these. I could do a follow-up video. I'm actually trying to meet a deadline for this gallery and art show. So I want to do another video about that process and creating an art show and a collection of work and what that process has been like and what was really helpful and what I maybe would have done differently and maybe some things I will try in the future. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe to see my future videos. And thank you so much for watching.